Hi guys, I'm Mahalakshmi from AML department. Today we are discussing the case study video for cryptography. Let's start from Jaipriya.
The title of our case study is the introduction to cryptography. So in a world of cyber threat, our protection is the cryptography. So cryptography is the practice and study for secure communication between networks. So what it does is it completely encrypts the data and also decrypts it. So from using this, we will get the confidentiality, integrity, and also the authenticity.
Okay, there are three main types of cryptography: symmetric, asymmetric, and asymmetric. In symmetric cryptography, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. It is fast, sharing the key is safe and difficult. Example AES. In asymmetric cryptography, the two keys are used: a public key for encryption and private key for decryption. It is more secure but slower. Example RSA. Hash function change data into fixed code that cannot be reversed, mainly used for data integrity. Example SHA-256. You can remember it easily. Symmetric is like a house key, and asymmetric is like a mailbox, and hash is like a fingerprint.
To explain how this cryptography works. So this cryptography works through a set of core mechanisms that ensure secure communication and data protection. The process begins with encryption, where plain text is converted into ciphertext using an algorithm and a key. So for example, the AES algorithm encrypts data in blocks by applying substitution, permutation networks. The decryption process then reverses this transformation using the same or a related key to recover the original plain text. The digital signature are another important component, using asymmetric cryptography to provide authentication and integrity, where data is signed with a private key and verified with a public key. The mathematical foundation of cryptography relies on solving hard problems such as factoring large prime numbers, as in RSA like Helena said, or working with discrete logarithms. A real-world mathematical example for RSA encryption is given by the formula ciphertext is equal to plain text cap E mod n. So where this E is a public exponent and n is the modulus. This process can be visually represented as a flow chart. Like from the plain text, it is encrypted and converted into ciphertext, and then comes the decryption process, and then again it is reversed into a plain text, that is converted into a plain text. So to demonstrate the concept simply, Caesar chipper can be used. For instance, shifting the letters of hello three positions will result in the encrypted text as KHOOR. That's all. That is how this works.
Let us see where cryptography works. Cryptography is used in very real-world applications to keep data safety and secure. It is using HTTP and SSL to protect the website and ensure that the information shared is private, so that it builds trust among the users. Then it also plays a vital role in VPN, which is known as virtual private networks, which help people browse safely on public networks. In cryptocurrency like Bitcoins, mainly maintain trust using digital signatures. It also used in secure emails like PGP to protect message being read by others. Overall, cryptography helps to protect information to help to build the trust among the users.
Okay, let me explain one application, that is HTTPS and SSL for web security. So let me tell how it works. One of the most common and important application of cryptography is in HTTPS and SSL, which are used for secure websites. So it means our connection is protected by encryptions. This ensures that this information we send, like password, credit card numbers or personal data, cannot be read or modified by hackers. So here how it works. When you open a secure website, your browser and the web server uses SSL or TLS protocol to exchange digital certificate and encrypted keys. These keys are used to scramble the data into a secret mode. So even if someone intercepts, they can't understand it. Only the internet server can read it and read the information. So in simple terms, I can tell that HTTPS and SSL use cryptography to build up trust and privacy between users and also websites, making online communication safe and secure for activities like shopping, banking, and also logging into accounts.